Most welcome, student. Today we are discussing the uh, next remaining different type of. In the previous class, we are discussing the SCC, BCC, and FCC. Now we are discussing the non-classical unit shell. Clear? So today we are discussing non-classical unit shell. The first one is this is and centered unit shell. Now see it. And centered means first of all we draw the unit shell. SCC is must, we already know that because it is a primary unit shell. Here I am draw it, and dark portion is represent the only 1 by 8th is present in a crystal lattice in the making of the unit shell. Clear? This is the, remember that this is the only 1 by 8th part. Clear? Now remember that only two atom in opposite side, so that this is the end center. So that beta we find out the rank. The rank is equal to, it is a SCC is a basic, then end center and C. So this is a 8 is to 1 by 8, and this is a 2 and only half part in a face. We know that. So value is coming, 8 is 8 cancel, 2 is 2 cancel, rank is coming is 2. Clear? Now after that we are coming the next one. This is edge centered unit shell. In an end centered unit shell, you must be remember that it is like that way. First of all, SCC is formed. Clear? It is form it. And one atom at each edge means all 12 edges. And remember that only 1 by 4th part is making the crystal. Only 1 by 4th. So rank is equal to Z is equal to SCC plus edge centered. So this is 8 is to 1 by 8. And this is, remember that 12 is to 1 by 4 because only 1 by 4 is participation. This is a 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So edge centered has a rank 4. And there is a no need to find out the edge and radius relation between a radius with a relation between two atoms. Clear? Now after that we are coming the next specific type. This is a hexagonal close packing crystal, and its structure is like that way you see it. this one, and each corner atom is there 1 by 6 part in it. This one. And remember that one atom in a opposite edge and 3 atom at the center. 3. So rank is equal to, you must remember that only 1 by 6 in part making a crystal, and here is only 1 by 2. So it is become a total 12 edges. Participation is 1 by 6. 2 atom in opposite end, 2 is to 1 by 2. 3 atom is at center. So this is, you see that this is a 2, that one is a 1, and this one is a 3. To total rank is 6. Clear? Now we are coming the question related to this topic. So you mentally prepared. Question is, a compound formed by two elements X and Y. X at SCC and Y at FCC. Then find the formula. So formula has become X is SCC 8 is to 1 by 8. Y is FCC 6 into 1 by 2. Formula has become XY3. Clear? Very simple. X है SCC, Y है FCC. The formula is XY3. Now we are coming the next question. A compound formed by PQR, P at SCC, B at BCC, and R at face center. Then find out the formula. So P is SCC means 8 is to 1 by 8. Q is BCC 1. R is a 6 into 1 by 2. So formulas become a PQR3. ठीक है? Now we are coming the next question. A compound formed by A and B, A at alternate phase and B at SCC. Then find out the formula. So A is alternate phase means only 3 phases there. The participation 1 by 2. B is SCC 8 is to 1 by 8. This is A 3 by 2 and B is 1. So formula is A3B2. Clear? So this is the important question. After that we are coming the next question, and the next question is explaining that a compound formed by A and B, A at SCC and B at BCC. If one A atom is missing, then find out the formula. So you must be remember that you must be remember that you must be remember that A only in a 7 corner, not a 8. एक missing है. Participation is always 1 by 8. B is, we already write BCC, so A is 7 by 8 and B 1, so formula is A7 B 8. Clear? Now you must be remember that before we are writing the next question, remember that 4 body diagonal in a cubic crystal and 12 phase diagonal in a cubic. Now we are coming our question, then you do very well. And question is that calculate the formula of compound made up of P, Q, R and S. P at corner, two Q atom at phase diagonal, two R atom at body diagonal, and S at edge center, as well as BCC. Then find the formula. Clear? Then find the formula. So we are coming our question. You remember that P8 as corner means 8 is to 1 by 8. Q में कितने हैं? 2 एटम है. At each phase diagonal, phase कितने diagonal होते हैं? 12. पार्टिसिपेशन उनका फेज में हमेशा 1/2 ही रहे. ठीक है. एंड 2 आर एटम है किस पे? बॉडी डायगोनल. कितने बॉडी डायगोनल होते हैं? 4. एंड पार्टिसिपेशन बॉडी डायगोनल ऑलवेज कंप्लीट मीन्स होल, नॉट एनी पार्ट. And S is at a edge means 12 is to 1 by 4 and body. Again listen that A is SCC means 8 is to 1 by 8. Q is phase diagonal means 12 phase diagonal and each phase diagonal is a 2 atom. So 2 into 12. Participation in a phase is a half, so 1 by 2. R is, this is a body diagonal, 2 is to 4. And S is a edge, so 12 is to 1 by 4 plus 1. So formula is a P, 2 से 2 cancel, Q 12, R 8 and S 4 3 is a 12, 4. So formula you must remember that this is a P Q12 R8 S4. Clear? So this is the last question of the today video. Next day we are coming the next topic with a specific topic of the solid state, and that one is a different type of the previous lattice, means a different type of the crystal. Clear? So thank you and thanks a lot. We are meeting in the next class.